Hello and welcome back to another shoe review. Today I will be reviewing the Yeezy 350 V2 Bone. Now, I have not worn these yet, so I do not know how these feel on feet after several days. I will get back to y'all about that, but I have to say that these have to be single-handedly my favorite Yeezy 350s, just on looks alone. Now, problem you're definitely going to have with these is, since they're all white, and I should say right now that it isn't like a white, it's more of a cream color, if that makes sense. Like if you could see, hold on. You could see that right there. You see there's like a creamish color where it's more like a bone white, and then it's like a little cream, and that's how the whole bottom is. But it is really, really good in my opinion. Now, first we'll start off with the box, okay? It is no surprise, the same as it always is. 350 box, boost on the side, check one side, Yeezy 350 V2 made by Adidas. Other side shows what size you are. I got a size 12. I wear 11.5. I go half a size up. And for this shoe, I would recommend going up half a size. For it is a more narrow toe box, and you can be a little uncomfortable there. So I'd go up half a size to make your feet a whole lot more comfortable. Now, one thing that I do like about these is that they brought back the pull tabs. In my opinion, I am not a big fan when these things aren't there. It's just, like, if that isn't there, it just seems like something's missing back here, especially with that big stripe that goes right across the entire shoe. I just prefer something being there, and it's a whole lot more easier to put the shoes on your feet. Sorry, it's kind of hard to speak English. It's a whole lot easier to put these on feet, from grabbing it from here instead of like twisting this and pulling it, because eventually that'll just like, it'll like fade and look like this, and it isn't that cool. It isn't that good looking. Now, comfort wise, it is the same as every other 350, at least when I put it on. I wore it one time, so that's the only way I know. Boost right underneath, extremely comfortable, same as the bottom there. The top is like it feels like a sock, as it usually does. The thing is at the front here, at least from what I feel, it is a whole lot like more knit to it. It's like a whole lot more stuff to it, while in the middle here, it's literally just like a sock. Like, it's more shoe base and like structured here. In the middle here, if you can see where my finger is going, right above this, the main bottom part of it is just kind of like a sock. Now, there isn't much more I can say about the shoe. I mean, you can see on the inside here, there's a little tag. It's made in Vietnam, so if you don't like the Vietnam, I guess, don't get this shoe. Yes. Now, one thing I would give warning with these is socks. You definitely gotta wear some clean socks. I know some of y'all freaks out there wearing the dirtiest of socks are about to get exposed. If you see this part right here where the stripe is, since again the middle part is kind of like a sock, it's just visible. So if I put my hand in here, see, there's a bit of the string, but there's my finger moving in it, if you can see that. See? So you can see right through. So if your whole foot's in here and you aren't wearing anything, it's going to be shown. If you're wearing black, it's going to be shown. So that is definitely a warning. You can also see the light shining in through there. Now, would I recommend these shoes to people? If you want a pair of 350s and you are not against cleaning your shoes like 24/7, like every time you step outside and wear these things, go ahead, buy them. These things are going to look extremely clean, and they're going to look amazing. They're going to get a lot of looks. it's just a really good shoe in my opinion. Now, if you don't want to clean it all the time, it's going to get dirty very quickly, and that's going to look kind of gross. But the good news is with these, they're on the cheaper side of normal Yeezys. So instead of something like maybe the Belugas, carbon blue, instead of the Belugas going for like 300, 400, these are more carbon Belugas. You can find these for pretty much retail, even lower. I think right now you can get these for lower, but they just came out. But yes, I would recommend these if you're not against cleaning your shoes all the time. Alright, now that's it for the shoe review. I hope you all have a swell day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.